on the ground, it's in the water. If it's in the water, it's on your plate. None of us want to eat trash. So everything we pull up today is essentially pulling off of somebody's plate in the future.
So every body of water has a watershed, and that is the area where all precipitation, rainfall, and snowmelt runs to. Water will always find the lowest point. I'm sure if you've been in Kansas City for any amount of time, you've heard people say that they feel like this end of the creek does not get paid enough attention to. It doesn't get taken care of. It's always dirty. This creek needs as much of our help as we can give it. And it does affect our water. It goes into the Blue, which goes into the Missouri not far through here.
I'm a biology major at Rockhurst University, and part of my major is taking one environmental course, and I'm currently in Principles of Conservation Biology. And each group of in our class has like one conservation project that we work towards, and this is our stream team project. I'm personally pre-med, so I feel like conservation biology and environmental biology gets overlooked when you're a biology major. So I really like that Rockhurst emphasizes that you must take one environmental course to appreciate the planet that allows us to live on it.